Now let's learn how to get full screen display. You can see your recent key, home key and back key in bottom area. We can hide these buttons and get full screen display. Let's learn how to do this. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to display option. Scroll down a little bit. After, click on this navigation bar option. In here you can see these two methods. Now this mobile enable buttons method and another one is sub gestures method. In this buttons method we can change our buttons position. To change this buttons position, click on this more options. Now I am using first method. If you want to change this back button and recent key, you can enable this second method. Now I will show you how to hide these buttons. To hide these buttons, you can enable this second method, sub gestures method. Now you can see our recent key, home key and back key going to hidden. Now I will tell you how to use this gesture method. If you want to open recent applications, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause it like this. After, you can open recent applications. If you want to go to home screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen like this. Now if you want to go to back, you can swipe left or right from the edge of the screen. In this method, you can hide your mobile recent key, home key and back key and you can get full screen display.